Alright, hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to be looking at the Streamlight Bandit headlamp. Let's take a look at it real quick here. White LED headlamp with strap. Lightweight, only weighs 1.3 ounces. USB rechargeable. Visor clip for your hat, as you see there. Up to 180 lumens. Try me. 3 modes. High is 180 lumens for 2 hours. Low is 35 lumens for 9.5 hours, and there's a flash for 180 lumens, IPX4, which this means it could handle splashes of water and such. Can't be fully submerged. It's not waterproof per se. So enough talking, let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, got it unboxed. Quickly looked at the instructions here. The light just clips in right in the slots in the back, like so. This looks like a COB LED, a chip on board LED, whenever you see this like solid color there. Now it says it's in demo mode right now, and in order to get it out of demo mode, you have to, charge it up the first time, and it should get it out of demo mode after, I guess, you fully recharge it. Okay, I'll go ahead and plug it in. Okay, that means it's charging. I would think it would turn off if it's fully charged, or turn green, I'm not sure. And we can't do anything and while it's charging. So let me unplug it. Let's see if we're out of demo mode now. Yes, we are. Okay, so what it said, you can switch through modes. It's low, it's high. And like I said, the frame rate on the video, typically on low modes on LEDs, it looks funny on camera until you put it on high. And to get it in flashing, it says hold it for 3 seconds. Which, that's good that you have to hold it for 3 seconds, because it's typically not a mode you would need to go into too often. And you just hold it again for another 3 seconds to get it out of that mode. Pretty nice. And I would assume you just move it up like that. So happen to have this hat here. Excellent. This sick hat. And you just push it on like that. It goes on pretty easy. And now you have work light. It goes down pretty much all the way 180 degrees. And these do come in different colors. They do come in brighter colors, like a bright yellow, which would probably be a better idea so you don't lose it up, in an attic or wherever, to leave it behind. Okay, so far the negatives I could say maybe is the strap is pretty slim. It's not really a wide strap, which I don't know if that's a good or bad thing. And we got it comes with a really small, micro USB cable, which, not a big deal. I mean, we have plenty of those laying around anyway, right? So I'm going to go ahead and try this at night and see how I like it. It does produce a nice, wide, clean light. There's no hot spots. It's not a spotlight per se. It really reflects the light evenly. There's no hard spotlight or hot spot. It's just a nice even light, as you see there. Okay, it's about 9 o'clock at night. Looking at my truck's engine here. There's some street lighting, but it's not showing up on camera. Let me turn on my headlight. Okay, that's on low mode. It's high. So it's coming up high. It comes up better on the camera. That's low. That's high. So high comes out a lot better on the camera. I prefer the high mode. The low mode's it's pretty low. It's not really usable. It's just enough so you could kind of walk and not trip. If you're actually doing work, the high mode is where it's at. So it's really nice wide area lighting. It's no hot spots, like I said. It's really nice light. The high mode's the way to run it.